Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Yoonchae from Katseye. So let's get started. To draw cute Yoonchae, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now I have my two circles in. I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Now that eye's in, let's come to the sides right here. I'm just going to spruce them up with a lash right here, just a nice one, thick one right there, and same thing here. And then let's draw her brow. So I'm going to go up about right here and just draw a soft arc and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side, about right here. There. And then of course, let's give her a sweet smile. So right about here in between, just gonna go up with a curve and cap it off. So then from there, she has her hair is very straight and kind of to the side of her face. So just to make it a little bit easier, I think, let's come to the top. Let's find our center, come up, kind of like where her hairline would be. So I'm just gonna say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and imagine drawing an oval and bring down a curve and hit her brow and then hit the eye. Actually, got just a little bit of a gap. And same thing here. I'm going to try and get this as close to the eye. And just a little gap. There. So then from there, let's just bring this down a little bit more. And just bring it out. And then we're just going to imagine as if you were drawing her face, it would come about right here and then it would just kind of curve down. So let's say about right here, we'll start. And I'm just going to drag this across so I start at the same place on the other side. And let's go ahead and just draw this curve down towards the center for her chin and back up. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's come back up to the top, the center. We're going to go up, her hair parts in the center, and then from there, let's just softly go up on both sides. And then we're going to come down with a curve, and then right about here we're going to slant it a little bit for the side of her head and then bring it down. So same thing here. About right here, kind of slant it a little bit and then bring it down. And if you like, not necessary because her hair is black, you probably won't see it, but I just wanted to show you, you can put a little curve right here, just to give her hair a little bit more definition, and then some parting lines. Okay, so let's finish her hair later. Let's draw her body first. So I'm going to give her a little neck right about here and here. Just going to curve out on both sides, and then just bring this out to about right here and here. Before we round it off, we're just going to stop where we would kind of go down, and then right about here I'm just going to bring this in. for her body. So now we have that shape. Let's bring this down a little bit more on both sides. There. Okay, so now that we have the shape in, let's bring this in. She has this very unique top right here. I'm going to bring it down, kind of curve it in, I guess, and then down, and then connect it with a curve. Right there. And so then from there, for some details, let's come back and let's find the center and say about right here. And go up on both sides and bring it up. Then I'm just going to lightly bring a line straight down in center, kind of like a zipper area. And then before I draw, excuse me, before I draw any more details, let's just come back and draw the rest of her body. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to start her hip. Right about there. And so then I'm going to use this curve and bring in her waist for her jeans, her waistband. And then let's find the center and say about right here. I'm just going to draw a slight angle line to start her legs. So let's bring this down. Same thing here. Bring it down. And now we can go all the way down. So I'm going to work on this leg first. I'm just going to go straight down so that the bottom part is a lot thinner. We're just giving her a pair of tight jeans. So we're just going to get down right about here, so nice and thin for her ankle. About right there, and cut it off. And then since we're here, might as well just continue going down. And now flare it out a little bit. And connect. And then right about here, just add a curve. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So we just want her hands on her hip around here. So I'm going to curve this down and say about right here. I'm going to go ahead, then bring this in. And as I come down about right here, I'm just going to pop this part out. So let's actually, you know what, let's thicken it up first. Bring it in, and then stop her about there because she has this cuff that I need to draw. Right about here, and then I can draw her hands. And in. If you want some details, you can put in some of that there. And then same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same. And bring it in, and then about right here, cut it off just like the other side. And connect, and then her hands and the little finger there. Okay, so now that that's all done, we can go ahead and draw in all the details. So let's go ahead and give her a waistband for her pair of jeans. So button and then 2 curves right here, center line, little detail, a pocket. And then for her top, let's go ahead and I'm just going to lightly draw another line down on both sides. And then we're going to cut it across. You can do this with the jean color, like the blue, not the, if you like. But I just wanted to show you. You put in this pocket right here. And same thing on this side. There's a bunch of other lines in this jacket as well, but I'm not going to put it in because I'll just do it when I color. It's just too harsh with a black marker. And a button right here. And we need to finish her hair, so let's bring this down. If you want to give her a little strand, just bring it in. And same thing here. And in. And let's see. Where can we give Yoonchae a heart? You know what? Let me just put it right here. Give her a little heart necklace. Right there. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Yoonchae from Katseye. I really hope you love how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.